So friends, we have a small part of the video, we have music on the video, so let's save our video file. Hello everybody, you are on Andriy channel. Today I'm going to tell you why do I prefer to use Adobe Premiere Pro, and at the end of the video I will show you how to create your first video. It is very easy. Believe me. First that you need to know, I'm also a beginner. I'm using Adobe Premiere Pro about 5 months and I have a very positive impression about this program. Don't be afraid to try something new. For the example, I created this channel 10 months ago and I'm only learning English. You like to edit videos, so probably you watch this video because you want to find the best editing program. Why do I like this program? First of all, I shooting video on my smartphone LG G8X. I record video in 4K and after that I edit video in Adobe Premiere Pro just to get the best quality and change resolution from 4K to Full HD. But at the same time, I save the same bitrate. Also, one of the common reasons why do I use this program, because it well optimized for all devices. So I supposed to edit video on older version of laptops since 2013 and 2014. But this video editor work without any problem even on my older devices. For the example, Intel Core i3 of 3rd generation or Intel Core i5 of 4th generation work perfectly with this program. Also, as you can see, this is my microphone, Razer Sirian Mini. I supposed to record audio on this microphone using Windows Voice Recorder program, and after that I simply synchronize video from my smartphone and audio from my microphone in Adobe Premiere Pro. There is option for this, so you can synchronize your audio and your video without any problem. And to be honest, I like this option so much. Previously, I can't even imagine that there was such a convenient and useful option. On the internet, there is a lot of useful tutorials where people showing you and teaching you how to use Adobe Premiere Pro, and this all for free. For real. Adobe Premiere Pro have a lot of cool features, but the most important that you don't need to use all of them. You can choose what is the most important for you. For the example, the most important thing for me is the quality of the video and the quality of the audio. So I just synchronize the video and audio and voila, I get such a result. In my opinion, I think this program will perfectly suit beginner and at the same time professional video editor. If you are beginner, you use Adobe Premiere Pro. That's cool because the level of your video editing will increase in several times. Adobe Premiere Pro doesn't pay me any penny for this video. I just sharing my thoughts about this program because it is really convenient and reliable personally for me, and I hope this program will also suit you the best. Also, you can use it even if you have all HDD drive, but I still recommend to have SSD drive because even Adobe Premiere will work much faster. So guys, are you ready to create your first video in Adobe Premiere Pro? Let's get started. So guys, we are in Adobe Premiere Pro 2022. Now you may see how this software looks. To get started, first we need to import our files, audio, video, music, etc. in this icon. To make it more convenient and reliable, I recommend to manage your file before you want to import them in Adobe Premiere Pro. On my desktop, you may see folder for Adobe. If you open it, you may see audio, music, and video. I create 3 folders. If you open this folder, you may see that I already import all video. The same thing I do with my audio. As you can see, this is audio from my microphone Razer Sirian Mini. So we can close this window and go back to Adobe Premiere Pro. In this window, click right mouse button and create new bin. I will type video. Another time create bin. I will type music. and another time I will create bin and I will type audio. After I create video, music and audio folder in Adobe Premiere Pro, I need to do next. Click on the right mouse button and select import. Now I need to select my video files. For Adobe, video, and I will select all video files. Open. Okay, and now you may see that this folder have 5 items. The same thing I will do with music. Import, desktop, for Adobe, music, and another time for audio. Import, desktop, for Adobe, audio, and I will select 2 audio files and click open. We prepare to create video in Adobe Premiere, but we need to do only one thing. Find free space and click on the right mouse button. After that, find new item and select sequency. In this window, you need to click on settings, and here we can set up our video. For the example, almost all video files have 30 frames, so I will set 30 frames per second. In this case, you can change resolution of the video, so Full HD will suits me the best, but you can manually change it to HD. For the example, 1280 720. Okay, I will change this option back to Full HD because Full HD will suits me the best. I recommend to leave all other changes like this and click OK. Here you may see timeline of our video and our audio, V1, V2 and V3, and here you may see A1, A2 and A3. Also, you have option to change the view of the items. For the example, right now you may see icon, and if you click here you will see list view, and another time icon view. Or we can see the same thing like that and change the zoom in or zoom out. The same thing we can do here. Actually, it doesn't matter because it is the same files. So let's start editing. If we want to move our video file, we need to open our item, and now we can select the video file from which we want to start. Move it here to our timeline. Great. So guys, here you may see the screen, and actually it shows the real changes in our video. If we press spacebar, you may see that it will work. The funny situation. Here you may see the basic tools. Selection tool, if we click on it, for the example, we can move this object. And this is also very important tool, we use it to cut video. Click on it, select the moment which you want to cut, and click on it. Bang, bang. So we cut our video. Also, we can zoom in or zoom out our timeline if we click here. So zoom in, zoom out. And here we can move our video timeline and our audio timeline. So don't be afraid if you do something like that and you see the audio timeline disappear. You just need to repeat after me. Click here and move it back. Voila! On our timeline you may see this blue line. If we click on it, we can move our timeline to the moment that will suit us the best. After that, we can cut video here. For the example, we can press C and cut video, or we can zoom in and find the better moment and cut here, for the example. After cutting, we can move our files like this. As you can see, we have free space here, and if we click here and press delete, voila, this file moved forward to this video file. Understood? So friends, I show you the most simple things in Adobe Premiere Pro, but let's create our first video file. So let's delete this information and another time move our video file here. And also let's move our second video to our timeline. For example here. So as you can see, I moved the second video to our timeline. This is the first part of the video and this is the second part of the video. So I want to make this video much shorter. Cut this 10. Click here. Then I want to delete this part of the video. I just click on it and press delete. Move this part here. And also I want to cut this part. So I will zoom in and for the example, cut this part of the video. So I want to delete this part of the video. I will just click here, delete. And now I want to move sound into the video. So I will click here, music, and upload music here. After that, I recommend to click here, window, and open audio clip mixer. Here you may see the volume of our sound. This is A1, A2, and A3. And as you can see, our video are in A1 and the music that I move on our timeline is on A2. So I will press spacebar. As you can hear, music is very loud, so I can change this option here. I can make it much quieter. So as you can see, A2 and music are on A2 timeline. So I will press spacebar another time and make music much quieter. Hello everybody. Also, I can make a volume of my microphone much higher. Previously I said that my microphone is on A1, so I can just set up like this, press spacebar. Hello everybody, you are on Andriy channel. Today I'm going to tell you why do I prefer to use... So guys, as you can see on the timeline we have free space. So we can just move this video forward to our first video, or we can just select empty space and press delete. That's okay. Also, we can cut our music. For the example, we can click here, cut the music, and in this moment we can cut the video. Now we can select selection tool, click here, select these objects and delete them. So friends, we have a small part of the video, we have music on the video, and probably it will be more than enough for the first time. So let's save our video file. For this we need to click here on export. Now we can name our video file as we wish, Adobe Premiere Pro. And here we can select the place where we want to save our video file. For example, let's save it on our desktop, click save. If we click here, we can select the preset of our video. For example, all my videos have full HD format, so I will select high quality full HD. And here you can select the format of the video. Right now it's select to H264, it's the most popular format. And the most important, if you want to save file, you just need to click on export. And after that, you just need to wait until rendering process will finish. And voila, you will have your first file created in Adobe Premiere Pro. So guys, if this video was useful for you, please like it and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, it will help me a lot. Also, on my channel you can watch a lot of interesting videos and I will be glad if you watch all of them. Goodbye everyone, see you soon.